The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen. There's a boiling river in the Amazon that can cook anything alive. Would you swim in it? Some rainforest plants can eat metal from the soil. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of all big cats. There's a tree called the dragon's blood tree that bleeds red sap. Rainforests are home to 50% of the world's species. Some frogs carry their babies in their skin until they hatch. The loudest animal in the rainforest is a tiny howler monkey. Bamboo can grow up to 3 feet in just 24 hours. The Amazon once had civilizations bigger than London.